Hello everybody, my name is Alexander van Engelen and I am a land steward at the Upper Valley Land Trust. I'm right now on Cream Street and we found this incredible blowdown. So what had happened was there were two pine trees that were kind of joined together and it just split right through the middle. This either just because of old age or it just grew too much and the soil just gave way. So we'll show you kind of what has happened, and it's actually a good thing that this type of stuff happens in the forest. It lets a lot of regen pop up and takes out any trees that aren't necessary.
And so something to remember is that this is a good thing. This naturally occurs. You know, we didn't come out here and cut this tree. This happened all by itself. And so as you can see, there's now a huge canopy. Just above me is where this tree used to be. And so this is good because this encourages new regen. But something to remember is that not all regen is good. As I'm looking down, there's a lot of invasive plant species over here, mainly buckthorn. And buckthorn loves all of this new sunlight. And so that is something to remember when you have a tree down like this. You have to be aggressive in your management of the surrounding area. Otherwise, you're just going to have more invasive plants instead of the natural species that you want growing up from a regen like this. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's split right through the middle. Now, it's been a very dry season, so that could be a factor as to why it split. It also was two different trees. So as you can see where we're standing right here, it's not connected, these two. And so it has that weak point between the two, and if there's any type of wind against one of them, they might just tip over. And that might have happened here, or again, it could be just because of the weak soil. So half of it went into the water, the other half went into the forested area.
Yeah, so whenever you're out and about, on a trail and you see a large tree like this, yes, it can be kind of sad, but it is a natural thing and it is good for the environment. Thank you all for joining and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.